image formation by lens. To explain the image formation by lens, first of all I start with rules for image formation. These rules is somewhat similar to that of rules in the case of mirror. In case of mirror, we have only one focus and one center of curvature, but in case of lens there is two focus f1 and f2, along with that two center of curvature, one is 2f1 and another is 2f2. In case of mirror we have pole, but in case of lens having optical center as O. Now these are the some points which explain the difference between the mirror and the lens. Now start with the rules for image formation in case of lens. Rule 1. A ray which parallel to the principal axis after refraction will pass through principal focus. See over here, this is the convex lens and this is the concave lens. Here this is the ray which come parallel to the principal axis, and after refraction, here refraction term is used because light ray change its medium. First it is in air and then it goes to glass. So here refraction is happening. So when a light rays come parallel to the principal axis, after refraction it passes through focus f2. Here in case of concave lens also, a ray which come parallel to the principal axis after refraction, it diverge from that path and appear to meet at focus. So first rule is that any ray which come parallel to the principal axis after refraction, it passes through focus. Now come to the rule number 2. A ray passing through or directed to the focus will emerge parallel to the principal axis. See over here, this is the ray which is directed to the focus. After refraction, it go parallel to the principal axis. In that case also, ray is directed to the focus and after refraction goes parallel to the principal axis. So rule number 2 is the converse of rule number 1. In case of rule number 1, any ray parallel to the principal axis after refraction passes through focus, but in case of rule number 2, any ray which passes through the focus after refraction goes parallel to the principal axis. Now come to the rule number 3. Ray directed to the optical center will emerge out undeviated. This is the ray which directed towards the optical center and it undergo or pass undeviated. Okay, this is the convex lens and this is the concave lens. So in both the case, any ray which directed to the optical center will emerge undeviated. This is the 3 rules for image formation in case of lens. This rule is somewhat similar to that of rules for mirror. Okay, now again I remember rule number 1, ray parallel to the principal axis after refraction goes through focus. A ray which incident on the focus after refraction goes parallel to the principal axis, and the ray directed to the optical center will emerge undeviated. These are the 3 rules which is helpful for image formation in case of lens.